everyone, this is Ada from MADBIKE Manufacturing in China. Our factory location, Zhongshan City and Guangdong Province. If you come Guangzhou, you can come our factory to check our factory about the quality and the producibility. This is our new catalog about some models for motorcycle gloves. If you have any interesting for some models, you can contact with me in any time. Again, my name is Ada. I think MADBIKE in the market, how many people already understand it. You see, MADBIKE is a popular sale in some countries. For example, in Colombia, in Chile, and Peru, Ecuador, America, Mexico. I think if you are interested, you can try our quality. You can take a free sample from this video. If you like it, please contact with my WhatsApp. Anyway, if you have any questions, you also can be asked with me. We can OEM your brand and